Timothy Findley Jr. says his administration will look at all the issues, including public safety, through an equitable lens. He says throwing more money at the police department and other existing systems in place isn't how to make Louisville safer. Findley says his crime prevention plan focuses on providing more resources to low-income communities. He wants to expand access to substance abuse and workforce development programs, and work to solve Louisville's affordable housing crisis by going after absentee and out-of-state landlords that aren't caring for their properties.
We are going to fine you until you address these properties. Fix it up or go bankrupt.
Findley didn't mention the Louisville Metro Police Department one time when talking about his public safety plan. After the press conference, I asked him why.
Even the deficit that we see in the police officers, we may not need as many police officers if we help the people.
Police reform is included in Findley's full public safety plan published on his campaign website. He wants to remove several protections guaranteed to officers in their union contracts to ensure transparency. Findley would like to remove paid leave requirements for officers who are being investigated after an officer-involved shooting or deadly use of force, and make changes so officers' disciplinary histories are accessible to other police departments and the public. In Louisville, Rachel Droz, WHAS 11 on your side.
Findley is one of several candidates running for mayor, others who have released public safety plans, including Democratic candidate Craig Greenberg. Greenberg's plan includes calls to fully fund the police department, something Findley says he doesn't think is the answer to reducing crime rates. Greenberg also wants to expand mental health treatment and crack down on illegal guns, two things Findley has also proposed. Another Democratic candidate, the Jefferson Circuit Court Clerk David Nicholson, says he would implement a neighborhood-based policing model, which would identify 10 struggling neighborhoods and assign special teams to those areas. These teams would include police officers and residents, and they would work together to find ways to lift up and empower these areas. The first Democrat to declare in the entire race, head of the Louisville Bail Project, Shamika Parish Wright. While she hasn't announced an official public safety plan, she's told us Louisville needs to reimagine what policing looks like. But she says that some programs do work well and others need to be funded properly. She also wants more lights and cameras in alleyways. Bill Dillard is one of the other Republicans running. He's the current mayor of Jeffersontown. He has promised to bring his police chief, Rick Sanders, into a public safety role if elected mayor. He wants to return LMPD to a total of 1,500 officers. Dillard would like to create a victims advocate program where crime victims can get help from the police. Read the candidates' full public safety plans on our website, WHAS11.com.